Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 6 is Panab Science or Atmosphere topic. Questions 5 to 10 time. Separation of substances. How will you separate sand and water from their mixture? We will separate sand and water by sedimentation and decantation method. First, we leave this mixture for some time. After some time, the sand, which is heavier, is settled down at the bottom. After that, we will pour water into another container and the mixture will be separated. Question number 6. Is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? Sugar can be separated from wheat flour by sieving. Due to difference in the size of particles, sugar will stay on sieve and wheat flour will pass through it. Okay. Question number 7. How would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? We will obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water for the process of filtration. A filter paper is one such filter that has very fine pores in it. Figure 5.12a(b) shows the steps involved in using a filter paper. A filter paper folded form of a cone is fixed in a funnel. The mixture is then poured on the filter paper. Solid particles in the mixture do not pass through it and remain on the filter. Question number 8. Fill in the blanks. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalks is called achna threshing. When milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream malai is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of filtration. Salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Impurities settled at the bottom and muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called sedimentation and decantation. Okay. Question number 9. True or false? A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. False. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. False. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. False. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. False. Question number 10. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? We should add ice after dissolving sugar. When the temperature is high, then more sugar can be dissolved. After mixing ice, it gets cool and less sugar will dissolve in it. Okay, thank you.